Hey everyone, my name is Taya and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be detoxing my wardrobe.
I'm bossy, you can work for me. So sorry that I'm not sorry.
As you can see, I've got a lot to go through. I've got a lot of work ahead of me today. I'm not joking when I say I have a lot to go through. Last week on my Instagram account, I asked how many people frequently detox their wardrobe. So what is a wardrobe detox? A wardrobe detox is when you get rid of clothes that don't fit anymore, are super old or ripped or torn or have unexplainable stains on them. It's when you get rid of clothes that you haven't worn for over 2 years. And it's when you store clothes that you can't wear anymore. For example, in the summer you would store your sweaters, and in the winter you would store your sandals. When you're doing a wardrobe detox, you also kind of want to know what your style is. So a style that you're trying to achieve. What do you want to convey to people when they see you? When you go to a party, or when you go meet with friends, or when you go to work? What is the message that you want to send people? A lot of people say like getting dressed or the way you're styled is telling someone about yourself before you even open up your mouth. My style tends to be very colorful. I like to play with volume a lot. I like things that are short because I'm short. Oh, that's another thing. You have to know your body type. Make sure that everything that you're keeping fits you correctly. Don't keep anything that you're like, oh, let me lose 10 pounds. Girl, I've been there, done that. I still have not lost that 10 pounds. Don't keep it in your closet. Like, donate it to someone who it might look good on, or someone who might appreciate that piece of clothing more than you have. Let me stop rambling and I'll get started. Alright, I have a lot of full skirts. So this skirt right here, it creates a waist for me. It cinches me in right here and then it kind of billows out. It gives me the hourglass shape that I have yet to achieve. So, and here's also what I mean when I like to play with volume. This skirt is so pretty on. It's definitely, I think it's a special piece. I don't wear it often, but it is something that I've worn in the past 2 years. So, you know, gonna keep it. Now, I definitely am a fan of the circle skirt, but I'm not a fan when the circle skirt is just way too short. I purchased this and I just didn't try it on. I was in a hurry. I just needed something quick to wear to a concert. I got home and put this on. Half my butt was out. I haven't worn this skirt at all. It's only been like 3 months maybe since I purchased it. I honestly highly doubt that I am going to wear it. I'm going to put this in the donation pile. I'm putting this in the donation pile because it's in good shape. If your clothes are ripped or torn, just super old and beaten up and raggedy, I would not put them in the donation pile. I would put them in the trash pile. Because if you don't want your old, torn, stained, raggedy, ripped clothing, then I don't think other people will either. I usually have 3 piles when I do this. I have a donation pile, I have a trash pile, and I have a store pile. So this is a poncho that I actually took from my mom, and I really liked it at the time. Now that I'm looking at it, there's nothing wrong with it at all, I don't think. I'm really gonna ask my mom if she wants it back, and she'll probably take it back with open arms and be like, oh my god, you took it out of my closet in the first place. It's just something that I don't wear often anymore. Speaking of my mother, she likes to shop for me a lot. And so when I came home and I found this, I told my mom that it looks like something Emily Gilmore would wear to her Daughters of the American Revolution meeting. Why is this in a 23-year-old closet? It's definitely a little old for me. I don't even want my mom to have this because, we're both nowhere near 60. This one is just going to go in the donation pile. I'm going to keep my hanger. Sometimes I have a little problem. I like to think that I can buy something ugly and turn it into something beautiful. This is just not one of those shirts. Or I've never worn it, tag still on it. The pattern is just so unforgivable. This has just got to go. So, donation pile. Yeah, put this in the donation pile. Now guys, I'm currently living in Las Vegas. I lived in Indianapolis for 13 months. That was probably the most cruel winter I've ever experienced in my entire life. But now I'm back in Las Vegas, so I'm super happy. It's super sunny outside. Like right now I'm filming with all natural sunlight, which is like super dope. I love when I get the chance to do that. That means that it's time to put away all my sweaters, even my favorite ones. Okay, so this is a shirt. It's kind of like, I just don't want it anymore.
I got my own, don't need to buy me a drink. Stop asking questions like you care what I think. Cause it's clear that you want me, but I come with a warning. So I'ma be real with you, I know what I need. Ain't easy, you gotta earn it. Don't mind just watching you hurt it. Keep trying, that just makes perfect.
Okay, I have cleared out my closet, so now we're gonna head on to my shoes. Your wardrobe should always bring you joy. You should always be super happy to get up and get dressed to go somewhere. You shouldn't feel like it's a chore to get dressed, or that getting dressed is just like sucking the life out of you. When that's happening to you, you know it's time for a wardrobe upgrade.
Baby, know that I come first, first, first. Baby, know that I come first, I come first, I come first.